Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. This is actually quite nice. Take a look at this. We're actually broken free from this descending trend line. Absolutely great news here. Looking for a bullish back test there of that 70-cent range and possibly consider a long from there. Again, that's best case scenario, of course. The price could continue to run. We do see a nice little pennant pattern here forming for us as well. So the truth is, though, no matter how you look at it, fairly overextended. We're going to talk about that in a minute. So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you can learn something today. If you want to become a better trader, CryptoCash.tech is a site linked down below. Got a lot of great traders over there, and really good signals here, as a matter of fact, too. So if you didn't catch my upload on Twitter, TikTok, or Telegram, you can see here OP 30% in 5 hours, HBAR 35% in 57 minutes, and Bitcoin 21% in 40 minutes. So really cool. We caught those trades there as soon as the inflation data was released. All right, so take a look here at 72 cents. Holy cow, look at that liquidation. That's even more of a reason why the price is more likely to break up than down moving forward. So hypothetically, the price continues upwards, we should see a sweep of that 72 to 74 cent range, possibly even 76. Okay, so just keep in mind, looking very solid here in that sense. We do have a decent amount of volume. In fact, let's zoom out a little bit here, and this is just the most recent range ever since we've been here since April 12th. We can see there's a lot of volume just below the price action, but generally speaking, we have the most amount of volume below the price right now, and that's going to build that nice foundation, that solid support that we could very well see moving forward. Okay, so again, awesome stuff there. Let me make sure I got my fib levels up correct. Okay, we're looking good. Let's look at the daily and work our way down, kind of see what's going on here, because this coin is exuding some good behaviors right now. All the more reason why it should continue further higher, but let's not just get ahead of ourselves. Let's look at the daily and see. We're below all moving averages minus the 20. Keep in mind, the 20 SMA is probably the most important trend setter that you can work with. In other words, as you see this green line, it's worked perfectly with this descending trend. All the more reason why trend lines are beneficial to pay attention to. With us being above that, it implies that short-term resistance is broken. Okay. Also long-term resistance too, with the lower low and lower high pattern. So that's really just implies that we are in good shape here to likely continue to swing upwards. Again, a lot of times you establish range-bound activity before the price breaks, so we could see the price come up here, do a bullish back test, and continue higher. A lot of this is pending Bitcoin doesn't dump, right? Bitcoin does have propensity right now to swing as low as 51,000, okay? So there's definitely some areas in which we could see that. But in the last 24 hours, we've seen a solid amount of volume coming into Bitcoin that's positive. Stochastic swinging up here, money flow index, RSI kind of low. So the daily time frame is not perfect, not even close. The only thing great about it is being up over that 20-day SMA and tentatively above that descending trend line. So that's all well and good, okay? What does that mean for us in the 4 hour? Well, we're above everything else minus the 200 in the 4 hour. That's actually really good. It just kind of implies these short-term resistances here are working out to be below the price action, and we're more likely to see further upside. We're over 50 on the RSI, stochastic and money flow index increasing, and MACD is also swinging up. This is very positive, folks. These are great signs here. Again, we're above the most recent volume profile, that point of control. Hypothetically, we should see the price continue further up. Now, when we take a look at the hourly, we just got to recognize here too that we are overextended, right? So let's just quickly look at the TD sequential. You can see we came up to a 9, got a nice little reset here, and now we're at a 2. Okay, so the price has gone sideways for about 6 hours. That's very positive. We have this line here right now where we can see the price action wanting to break above. Okay, so that's a very favorable scenario. Okay, so again, when you have this kind of situation, we can see the price action is more likely to break up than down. So that's generally what we're looking at here. We have more likelihood of the price continuing further up than going down. If it does pull back, not the worst thing ever. We got a nice Fibonacci retracement level here to hold the price action likely in place. And then, of course, it would be that bullish back test of the descending trend line. Price should continue further up even if we see a pullback. Again, pending Bitcoin doesn't take a nosedive to 57,000 or lower. Matic should still maintain itself, and I'm willing to speculate we're going to see a majority of this liquidation swept here soon. Okay, so again, awesome stuff, really cool. Matic's looking pretty strong here. Thanks again so much for the amazing support. If you've been watching for a while, I've had some people reach out. They've been watching since 2021 when I started the channel. This is great. Thanks again so much for that. If you want to become a better trader, again, CryptoCash.tech is a site linked down below. And make sure that you reference Bitunix. Use my link to register so you get some really awesome rewards. They are an amazing exchange, no KYC or VPN required. They take great care of our community. Thank you, Bitunix, and thank you too. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow. Appreciate you. See you again soon. Take care.